Hi everyone, I'm Sheida Ghomashchi, one of the curators of the National Pavilion of Uzbekistan. For this event, we invited two professors from the Venice University of Kafoskari to discuss a little bit about Al-Khwarizmi and how we arrived to the Al-Khwarizmi science and how to compare the science of Eastern world, let's say, not to divide the East and West, but generally to talk about the circulation of science around the world during the history.
As a scholar of Iranian studies, is the fact that we are talking about a name, Al-Khwarizmi, which can be understood as a true mark for a sort of pre-modern cosmopolitanism. Persian culture, what we know as Persian culture, has been very often misunderstood in several ways. On the one side, there's a sort of kind of a truly exotic Orientalist imaginary around the Persian carpet or the flying carpets or this world of fables and mysterious places that are not even easily understandable, and many people even could not place Persia in a place in the world. Persia is a dimension of knowledge, not only a place. But if we start as a place, we should imagine it as a net of connections, the Persianate world, which is a space of knowledge, a space of exchange, of understandings, misunderstandings, and so on, which extends far more wider than what we know now as Iran, the Iranian plateau.
What I've found interesting in this discussion so far is the link between garden and knowledge, gardens of knowledge, garden and knowledge, because in a sense, gardens are not natural, they're not nature, they're created by man and woman. And like this pool, you know, it's a very structured thing, and yet at the same time, it is trying to recreate something natural because we're imposing order on it, order, structure. You can't have a garden, a recreated natural space, without water, and that we find in societies everywhere in the world where they recreate gardens, whatever their view of a garden is. Of course it depends on water.